This robot was injected with human DNA. Real blood started flowing through its body. Seconds later, it rushed up to the brain, then spread through the entire system, flooding every part. The cold steel turned red. This wasn't a regular machine. It was a prototype powered by human blood, which means it could feel emotions. It didn't take long before it came to life. It stood up, steady and strong. To make it even more human, they added a real brain. They placed it inside the skull and sealed it shut. Half of the transformation was done. Next, they dropped it into a tank of amniotic fluid. Just like a human fetus, it floated, completely wrapped. Artificial blood vessels started growing inside, each one connecting every part of its body. Once the brain fully fused, it gained the power to think. Not long after, the body was ready. A protective shield locked around the head, tubes detached one by one. Its bones and blood vessels were now identical to a human's. They submerged it again, this time in blood-infused fluid. Now, even its skin and blood were fully human. The body slowly floated up. Its head broke the surface first. The skin looked pale. That meant it was hardening, just like real skin. Moments later, it was floating at the top. Then came the final stage. The entire body was covered in a placenta. The shape was almost fully human. A scientist picked up a scalpel, held the body still, and carefully sliced open the top of the head. One long, clean cut through the membrane. Then came the moment of truth. He peeled away the outer layer, revealing a perfectly human face. Even the eyes looked alive, but no one saw what was coming. The real danger had just begun. They ran a loyalty test. The robot grabbed the scientist's arm hard, then released it. No harm. Next, they put a giant spider into one of the brain tubes. The robot froze. It started shaking, exactly like a scared human. They realized it had absorbed female DNA, but the next test changed everything. One scientist disguised as a clown walked in. The robot attacked instantly. No hesitation. It killed him. That's when they understood it was still cold-blooded. To stop it from going rogue, they tied it down, cut open its head again, and removed the implanted consciousness. Just like that, the soul was gone, and the human mind was sealed away forever.